Recently, we had received a lot of requests about rubber stamp business. Should I buy a laser machine? Or a rubber stamp machine? Here is all about rubber stamps. You need to know before you make the right choice. Are you going to start a new rubber stamp business, or having an existing rubber stamp business? What is your budget? What kind of production speed are you looking for? If you plan to start a rubber stamp making business, you need a rubber stamp making machine, model LHA5, to make self-inking and traditional rubber stamp, and a flash stamp machine to make pre-inked stamp. If you are planning to expand your rubber stamps business, we suggest to invest in a laser engraving machines for long-term profitability. For long-term profitability, laser cutting and engraving machine produce a better quality and more durable rubber stamp, simultaneously reducing the production time and maximize the profit margin. The production time for using a polymer machine is around 30 minutes, whereas using a laser machine take only 3 to 5 minutes.